Keyword Planner is an essential tool for anyone involved in online marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, or content creation. It provides valuable insights into keyword research and helps users understand the search demand and competition for specific keywords. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting your online journey, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of using Google Keyword Planner effectively. Section 1. Accessing Google Keyword Planner. To begin using Google Keyword Planner, you need a Google Ads account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account for free. Once you have your account set up, navigate to the Google Ads homepage and select Tools and Settings from the top menu. In the drop-down, click on Keyword Planner to access the tool. Section 2. Understanding Keyword Planner features. Keyword Planner offers several features that allow you to discover relevant keywords, analyze search volume, and assess keyword competition. Here is an overview of the main features. Discover new keywords. This feature helps you find new keyword ideas by entering words or phrases related to your product, service, or topic of interest. You can specify targeting options such as location, language, and search networks to refine your results. Get search volume and forecasts. This feature provides historical search volume trends for specific keywords and forecasts estimated traffic and performance metrics based on different bid and budget scenarios. Filter and sort results. Keyword Planner allows you to filter and sort keyword ideas based on various criteria, such as search volume, competition level, and suggested bid range. This helps you identify the most relevant and valuable keywords for your campaign or content. Analyze competition. With this feature, you can analyze the level of competition for specific keywords. Keyword Planner provides a competition rating that ranges from low to high, indicating the number of advertisers bidding on those keywords. Section 3. Conducting keyword research. Keyword research is crucial for optimizing your content and improving its visibility in search engine results. Here is a step-by-step process for conducting keyword research using Google Keyword Planner. Define your goals. Clearly define your objectives and target audience. Understand what keywords are relevant to your niche, products, or services. Generate keyword ideas. Start by entering seed keywords or phrases related to your business. Keyword Planner will generate a list of keyword suggestions based on your input. Explore these suggestions and add relevant ones to your keyword list. Refine your keywords. Use the filtering options to refine your keyword list based on search volume, competition, and other factors. Aim for a balance between high search volume and manageable competition. Analyze keyword trends. Use the historical search volume data to understand keyword trends over time. This will help you identify seasonal variations and plan your content strategy accordingly. Assess competition. Evaluate the competition level for your chosen keywords. High competition keywords may be more challenging to rank for, so consider targeting a mix of high and low competition keywords to optimize your chances of success. Expand your research. Explore additional keyword ideas using the Discover New Keywords feature. Experiment with different variations, synonyms, and long-tail keywords to expand your reach and target a broader audience. Section 4. Implementing keyword insights. Once you have identified a comprehensive list of relevant keywords, it's time to implement them effectively. Here are some key strategies. Content optimization. Incorporate your target keywords naturally into your website content, including titles, headings, meta tags, and body text. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as it can negatively impact your website's visibility. Ad campaigns. Use Keyword Planner to create effective ad campaigns in Google Ads. Set appropriate bids and budgets based on keyword performance metrics and forecasts. SEO and link building. Identify keywords with low competition and high search volume for your SEO efforts. Create high-quality content around these keywords and focus on building quality backlinks to improve your website's ranking. Content creation. Use the keyword insights from Google Keyword Planner to generate content ideas for blog posts, articles, videos, and other forms of content marketing. Align your content with the search intent behind specific keywords. Conclusion: Google Keyword Planner is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights for keyword research and optimization. By understanding its features and following the step-by-step process outlined in this guide, you can leverage the tool's capabilities to discover relevant keywords, analyze search volume, and assess competition. Implementing these insights strategically will help you improve your website's visibility, enhance your content strategy, and drive targeted traffic to your online presence.